Friend, I'm from China. This is our booth.
Hanli.
Yeah, Hanli. For cable, for escalator, and leatherwork and optical products.
You do like a lot of cables.
This is a LAN cable for leatherwork. This is optical cable.
And what is, you also do HDMI?
HDMI now is 8K. It's most
2.1.
Technology is is top,
Very high.
very high.
This is long cable.
Long cable, 10 meter. We have 1 meter, 2 meter, 10 meter, 20 meter.
Is it passive or active optical?
Active optical.
So you can do very long.
Very long, very long. And the picture is very clear.
Nice.
High definition.
And you also do a different style. Is it the same or different?
This is 4K. 4K.
version. And this another 8K. Right. You also do HDMI extender.
Yeah, extender.
What is this?
This is for the optical. In the outdoor, just the messenger.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you show what's going on with the cables here.
And this is for car. The car lights we supply to manually.
Oh, in the car components. I see some designs here.
This is optical and a mode.
And what do we see here?
This is for the CATV. Just very clear. And this is a patch panel.
Okay.
Panel.
And some routers.
And this is Wi-Fi. Root.
And what do we see behind here?
This is for the optic tunnel.
So all of those connect
All
a lot of
those are
optical.
similar, only different size.
And here it shows the network cable, telephone cable, all the way through.
Yeah.
So your factory is in Zhejiang.
In Zhejiang Hanzhou,
And how big is your factory?
2 hours by air.
How big is the factory? How many people?
5,000 kilometer.哦，
Square
多少个
meter.
平方？
Square meter.
就是我们厂房有多少个平方？30,000 square meter.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices. For movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology connects the future today.